Hey everyone! Welcome back to AnHome channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Instagram to show you a cool feature that will jazz up your posts. Get ready to learn how to add your favorite tunes to your Instagram posts in just a few taps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Instagram app and tap the icon to create a new post. Step 2. Select the photo you want to share from your gallery and hit Next. Step 3. Now, tap the music icon on the top of the screen. Step 4. Browse through the music library or search for your favorite song. Step 5. Once you've found the perfect track, select the clip length and the part of the song you want to play. Hit Next. Add a catchy caption, tag your friends or locations, and then share your musical post with the world, and there you have it. You're now ready to make your Instagram post sing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.